Racing just is started. The Storm Goddess break quickly to start. Donya Nekasha to take the lead. G.I. Jane then next online. Nobody But You then followed now by Sincerely Devil, while Director's Hunter is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Donya Nekasha leads by about 4 lengths. Nobody But You to take second. Is Storm Goddess comes next, then followed by G.I. Jane, running by the Sincerely Devil, while Director's Hunter is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Donya Nekasha enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Here comes Nobody But You, now trying to get closer. In second is Storm Goddess, Director's Hunter, then comes Sincerely Devil, while G.I. Jane now racing in last 400 meters of the race. Donya Nekasha, Nobody But You is sorry, Storm Goddess, Sincerely Devil, Director's Hunter comes next, while G.I. Jane is still racing in last as they swing to rumba. Donya Nekasha by over a length. Nobody But You is sorry outside. Last 100 meters we have Donya Nekasha, Nobody But You is sorry outside. Donya Nekasha, Nobody But You, and finally it's Nobody But You. Donya Nekasha, Storm Goddess, Sincerely Devil, then comes Director's Hunter and G.I. Jane.
Alright, number 6, top choice, Nobody But You, crossing the wire first, ridden by CP Boji Henson. Masisigunduin, number 3, Donya Nekasha, Storm Goddess, then Sincerely Devil. 6-3-2-5, panarin natin, replay.